Hey guys, we are making today the mouth-watering delight called Vada Pav, which is the heartbeat of Mumbaikars. In 1960s, when Udupi outlets were spreading its wings across the city, Mr. Balasaheb Thackeray's call to the Maharashtrian Entrepreneurs Association to do business, which was somewhat answered by Mr. Ashok Vaidya, who was selling vadas and pohas back then at his Dadar's outlet. One fine day, he decided to put some tangy chutney on one side of the bun and a sukha tikka masala on the other. And in between sits a spicy symphony called batata vada, which was nicely stuffed in the Portuguese bread called pav. It became popular among mill workers more for the sake of convenience. The easy to carry snack and convenient to eat was truly meant for the city that never sleeps.